Hi.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
Julia.
This Harris. Nice to meet you.
Daniel.
So, are you ready to meet him?
Yes, we're very excited. We've been wanting to do this for the past 3 years.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. I'm gonna get him.
Thank you. I'm so nervous.
Me too. But everything will be fine. I'm sure.
Henry, this is Julia and Daniel.
Mrs. Harris,
Yes?
can we talk for a second? Excuse us.
Okay. I will be.
He's not the boy we chose.
What are you saying? I thought you wanted Henry.
Last time we were here, your colleague told us that we could adopt this boy.
Oh, Tom?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, but Tom was adopted a year ago. I'm so sorry, it has been a mistake.
Sure, Henry's just amazing as Tom.
Sure he is.
Right?
Yes, I'm sorry. I'm sure he is. I don't know why I'm making such a big deal out of this.
Well, then everything is settled, and I will give you my phone number just in case you will have any problem. And I'm sure everything will be just perfect.
Everything's fine. Hi, young man. I'm Daniel.
Henry.
This is my wife, Julia. And we're very glad you're gonna join our family.
Oh, I'm not so sure. Your wife didn't look pleased.
No, she is happy. She's confused a little bit, that's it.
Whatever. Can we go? It's boring here.
Of course. I'm sure you enjoy it more when we get home.
Really? This house is boring.
Boring? I'm pretty sure you change your mind after see the rest of it.
Oh, I really hope so. The kitchen is even more boring.
Why is it boring?
You don't have an air fryer, a waffle maker, a soda machine.
Okay, I get your point. But don't worry, Julia and I will make you the best dinner.
Really? What's for dinner?
I was thinking of making my favorite pumpkin soup.
That sucks. I hate soups.
Well, tough luck. That's all we have right now.
That's bullshit. Can we at least have desserts?
You know what? While Julia is cooking, I'm gonna go to the store to buy some ice cream. How does that sound?
Not too bad.
Got the ice cream?
Oh.
How's the soup?
I think he'll love it.
I'm sure I will.
Enjoy, everybody. did that on purpose.
What?
You unplugged my laptop while I was in the middle of something.
I needed to charge my phone.
You could have done it anywhere else. Go to your room. Now.
Fine.
Can I help you?
Pizza's delivery.
I think you got the wrong address. We didn't order anything.
Is this Emerald Street 42?
Well, yeah,
Then the address is correct. There's an order made with 12 pizzas.
but I didn't order any pizzas.
Ooh, the pizzas are here.
Did you order the pizzas?
Yeah? Isn't it awesome?
I'm sorry. Is there any way we can cancel the order? We don't need 12 pizzas.
The order is already made, so you must pay for it.
Fine. Can you help me bring them inside?
Sure. You little thief! You thought you can get away without paying? First you lied that you didn't order them, then your kid tries to steal the
No,
money?
listen, I'm sorry. It's a misunderstanding. I didn't try to steal your money or ask the boy to do it. I promise you'll get punished for that.
Yeah, right. Be happy I didn't call the police on you.
What just happened? Oh, did we order pizza?
Henry did. He ordered 12 pizzas. And then tried to steal the money from the delivery guy.
What?
I can't deal with this anymore. A couple of days ago, you almost lost your job. And then he almost called the police on us. Do you even realize how serious this is? I don't want to put our lives in danger anymore because of this kid. Tomorrow I'm calling adoption agency and bringing it back.
Wait, no.
It's my final decision. What's this? Henry? And we took him back to adoption center just 2 days before your birthday. I never thought he thinks of us as his family.
But he did. He called me Mom. If we only gave him a chance.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Get ready. I'll call Ms. Harris to tell them we're going to pick him up.
Henry. I am so sorry.
You found your card.
Oh, a card.
You had no idea I thought of us as a family.
Hey. I'd be glad to be your mom.
Really?
Absolutely.
We miss you. And we'd love to have you back. What do you think?
That'd be pretty cool.
Hello. So, do you want to sign the adoption papers? Yes, we do. Right there.
Thank you. Okay. Now you're officially our son.
Thank you so much. It means a lot to me.